Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Educational Corner. As you are aware that we have completed chapter 5, changes around us, physical and chemical, explanation of this chapter, then part 2 summary and question answers, and part 3 important points. So today we are going to start with important extra questions. Before starting, I sincerely want to thank you for liking my videos and sharing your valuable comments with me. You will get classics, Hindi Malahar and science curiosity videos and class 7th English Puri, Hindi Malahar and science curiosity videos with important points and extra questions on my channel. You can also see all the playlist of these videos class and subject wise on my channel. So please do subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you. On my viewers demand, I have got some extra important questions from Science NCERT book Curiosity class 7 chapter 5 changes around us. I hope these will be useful to you. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Burning of coal is a dash change. Options: physical, chemical, none of these. So when we burn coal, what do we get? We get a new product or substance or ash, and when we get a new substance, it is always a chemical change. Question number 2. Dissolving sugar in water is a dash change. Physical, chemical, or none of these. So when we dissolve sugar in water, when we will evaporate water, we'll get sugar back. So this is a physical change as no new substance is formed and it is reversible. Lime water turns milky due to the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Lime water turns milky, the color changes to white, or you can say it turns milky due to the presence of which gas? Oxygen, carbon dioxide or nitrogen. So the correct answer is carbon dioxide. So due to the presence of carbon dioxide, lime water turns white or milky. Question number 4. Changes in which only physical properties of a substance changes are called dash change. So changes in which physical properties means size, shape, color of a substance change are called dash change. Physical, chemical or none of these. The correct answer here is physical change. Question number 5. Changes in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. So changes in which new substance, new object, new thing is formed, it is called physical change, chemical change or none of these. So it is called chemical change. Question number 6. Which of the following is a physical change? Melting of ice, rusting, combustion. So melting of ice is a physical change because when we will melt ice, we'll get water back. So it is reversible and we are not getting any new substance. So melting of ice is a physical change. Question number 7. Which of the following is a chemical change? Melting of wax, formation of steam or rusting. So here melting of wax is a physical change. Formation of steam is a physical change. Rusting is a chemical change. Rusting is when a brownish film or brownish deposit are found on iron object. Question number 8. What is the color of flame when magnesium ribbon is burnt? So when we burn magnesium ribbon in air, it burns out with a particular color, whether it is black, white or red. So the correct answer here is white. Question number 9. The formation of brownish layer on surface of iron is called dash. So just now I have told you that when a brownish layer is formed on any of the iron object, it is called rusting, galvanization or combustion. The correct answer here is rusting. Question number 10. Formation of curd from milk is a dash change. So when curd is formed from milk, it is a dash kind of change. Physical, chemical or none of these. It is a chemical change because a new substance is obtained from milk, that is curd, and it is irreversible. We will not get milk from curd. Question number 11. Substances that undergo combustion are dash substances. So combustion means burning. So substances which helps in burning, they are called cooking substances, rusting substances or combustible substances. So here the correct answer is combustible substances. Question number 12. The lowest temperature at which a substance can catch fire is called its dash temperature. Rising temperature, falling temperature or ignition temperature. So it means that the minimum temperature at which a substance can burn or catch fire is called rising, falling or ignition temperature. So correct answer here is ignition temperature. Question number 13. A chemical reaction in which a substance reacts with oxygen and produces heat and light is called rusting, combustion, galvanization. So a reaction which is chemical in which a substance, एक substance react करेगा oxygen के साथ और क्या produce करेगा, heat and light. So such kind of reaction where a substance react with oxygen to produce heat and light, it is called rusting, combustion or galvanization. So here the correct answer is combustion. Question number 14. Dash is a combustible substance. Wood, glass or plate. A substance which helps in burning. It is wood, glass or plate. Correct answer is wood. Question number 15. Insects that emit light in the garden in late evening are called fireflies and cockroaches. The insects that emit means give out light in the garden in the late evening are called fireflies and or cockroach. So here the correct answer is fireflies. Question number 16. Production of light without heat in living organisms is called bioluminescence, respiration, transpiration. So the correct answer here is bioluminescence. Question number 17. For the combustion process to occur, there are dash requirements. So in case we want to start with the burning process, we require 3 things, 2 things or 5. So the correct answer is 3. There are 3 requirements. for the combustion process to occur. Question number 18. The burning of vapor is a dash change. When vapor burns, it is a kind of a physical change, chemical change, or none of these. Correct answer is chemical change. Question number 19. Michael Faraday delivered a series of lectures called Chemical History of a Dash. So Michael Faraday, who was a scientist, he delivered series of lectures which were called Chemical History of a Box, Candle or Paper. So here the correct answer is candle. Question number 20. Heaps of sand, soil and stones lying at the base of mountains are called erosion, sediments or weathering. So when we see sand, soil and stones, they are lying at the base of mountain, they are called erosion, sediments or weathering. So the correct answer here is sediments. Question number 21. Dash is a black colored rock. Basalt, coal or granite. So according to the lesson we have learned, basalt is a black colored rock. Question number 22. Basalt changes its color to dash due to presence of iron oxide. So basalt is black in color and it changes its color to which color? Because of the presence of iron oxide. It changes to brown color, black color or red color. So here the correct answer is red color. When it is exposed in air, due to the presence of iron oxide, basalt is black rock which changes to red color. Question number 23. A process that breaks down rocks, soil and minerals into smaller particles at Earth's surface is called. So a natural process in which rocks, soil and minerals are broken down into smaller particles at Earth's surface, it is called weathering, erosion or sediment. So here the correct answer is weathering. Question number 24. Dash undergo both physical and chemical changes due to weathering to form soil. So what undergoes physical and chemical change? Both, it shows both physical and chemical changes due to weathering to form soil, whether it is rock, wind or water. So here the correct answer is rock. Rock undergo both physical and chemical changes due to weathering to form soil. Question number 25. Dash is the natural process in which wind, water, etc. transport soil, rock and other material from one place to another. So a natural process in which moving wind, running water, it transport करते हैं soil, rock and other material like pebbles, stones, sand from one place to another. So this natural process is called erosion, weathering or sediment. So here the correct answer is erosion. Question number 26. The component of air that support combustion is, so the important part of air that support combustion means burning is carbon dioxide, oxygen or nitrogen. So here the answer is oxygen. So the component of air that support combustion is oxygen. Question number 27. The chemical reaction can be represented in short form as. Chemical reaction को हम short form में कैसे represent कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Or we can say a brief representation of chemical reaction is called what? Chemical equation, chemical change or none of these. तो chemical reaction को short form में जब हम represent करते हैं with formulas, it is called chemical equation. So here the correct answer is chemical equation. So chemical reaction can be represented in short form as chemical equation. Question number 28, and this is the last question. Stretching of a rubber band is a dash change. When we stretch a rubber band and when we leave it, it comes back in its original form. Only a little bit stretching is there, otherwise it comes back to its original form. So it is physical change, chemical change or none of these. So correct answer here is because no new object is formed and it is reversible. So this is a kind of a physical change. So stretching of a rubber band is a physical change. So I hope you have understood all the questions. With this question I have come to the end of my video. Please do like my videos and subscribe my channel and share your valuable comments with me. Now I'll see you soon in my next video. Up till then, take good care. Goodbye.